With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the end of T wave in standard ECG of a normal person represents, and the options are contraction of both the atria, end of ventricular diastole, beginning of ventricular systole, or initiation of the atrial contraction. So ECG is basically the representation of electrical activity of the heart, right? The electrical activity of the heart, it is represented by the ECG, right? And this is an example of a typical ECG or a normal ECG wave which is seen in case of a normal person, right? And for like their average heartbeat is 72 beats per minute, so therefore a normal ECG would also have 72 such beats in a complete report, and any deviation from this normal wave is important in the diagnosis of heart disease, right? Any deviation or any change from this normal waves which are represented in the ECG, it is useful for diagnosis of any underlying heart disease or any underlying heart condition, right? So here the question is asking the end of T wave, it represents which activity of the heart. So when we see the ECG, the P wave, which is this right here, it represents the atrial systole, right? It represents the atrial systole, that is the contraction of the atria, right? Next we have the QRS complex. QRS complex represents the ventricular systole or the ventricular contraction, or systole is represented by the QRS complex, and the T wave, it represents the ventricular diastole, or we can say the relaxation of the ventricles. It is represented by the T wave. So if we see the options once again, contraction of both the atria, it is related to P wave. End of ventricular diastole, this is T wave. Beginning of ventricular systole, this is related to the QRS complex, and initiation of the atrial contraction, it would be the atrial contraction is related to P wave again. So our right answer would be option B.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.